Hi everybody, I'm going to show you quickly through this tutorial how you can give students recognitions through Otus. If you are on your home page, it will look like this, and you will click on the left bar here under Classes. Once you're in Classes, you can select a class. So I'm just going to do period 1, 2 ELA. And then to give recognitions, you have to go over here to these three dots and click on Give Recognition. Once you do that, you'll see a menu of options here. You can just select whichever one you want to assign. Some of them are school-wide, for example, our BARC expectations here. I have also added my own, which will pop up if you save them. My Husky of the Day, for example. And the circle ones are the teacher recognitions that you can individually input. And the square ones are put in by the district, okay? So you can always add them here with the little plus if you want to create your own for your classes. I'm just going to go through for sake of time and click on my Husky of the Day, and then I'm just going to choose the student that it applies to. I click on their name, okay? And then I will go through and assign. And you can select all. You could select the whole class to get the recognition. You could select one student. You can select a group of students if you prefer to do it that way. But it's just kind of a nice way to record the recognitions, and then you have a nice record here to use in the future. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know.